Bradley Smoker is on a mission to convince me, the old school barbecue guy, that I need to keep an electric smoker in my arsenal. Now, it's kind of saying a lot. Charcoaler. Charcoaler. Charcoal and wood. Charcoal and wood. Charcoaler. Charcoal and wood. Charcoal and wood. Charcoaler. Charcoaler. Charcoal and wood. 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 Charcoal. Wood. We're going to give it a shot. Let's get her unboxed. Here's the verdict. I'm actually pretty impressed with this little Bradley smoker, I'm not gonna lie. The color was good, the smoke was good, it held temperature really well. I did have one user error where I put that the tube that holds the little wood briquettes things, pushed that down too far, blocked the auger, so it didn't smoke for a couple hours. When I came back and realized what had happened, troubleshot, figured it out, pulled it back out, started smoking great. I can definitely see a place in the arsenal for something like a Bradley. It's got the smoke generator separate from the oven, so you can run it as a cold smoker if you want. You can definitely set it and forget it. I was kind of impressed. It outperformed maybe even almost any pellet grill I've ever used. Well done. I like it enough. I went out and bought a cover for it. It's going to live on the patio for a while, and we're going to have some fun. So, Bradley Smokers, you impressed?